Hello, my name is AJ Grassi and this is my Raspberry Pi Pico project. My project is a miniature railway crossing designed to be used on a much larger scale if you so choose, but it is accurate of what you would see out in the real world. The components used in my Raspberry Pi Pico project include 2 IR proximity sensors, 1 SG90 servo motor, and 2 dome-style LEDs. Whether the train hits IR sensor 1 or IR sensor 2 first, it'll still trigger reaction from the servo motor and the LED lights, which work as warning signals. While the train is moving and it is detected by sensor 1 and sensor 2, the circuit stays intact, keeping the signal arm down and the lights flashing. Once the train moves out of the way of sensor 1 or sensor 2 and the sensors no longer detect the train in the way, the dome-style lights will return to non-flashing and the servo arm returns the guard arm back up into the safe position. As you may notice, in some instances, the servo arm bounces up and down ever so slightly while the train is passing in between sensor 1 and sensor 2. This is due to an unforeseen circumstance. The sensors take readings at such a high rate of speed that even while the train is moving by at its quickest, it is still able to detect these gaps in between the cars. That is why, as the train passes around, sometimes you will see that slight waver in the crossing arm. Overall, the project was a success. Even with the slight hiccup in the servo arm bouncing occasionally in between the rail cars, we were still able to successfully demonstrate a functioning railroad crossing.